Hey guys, okay, this is it. This is going to be the big finale, or maybe this more like the start, the big start, new chapter. Okay, the car's been sitting here. It's the HHR 2008 SS with the 2-liter turbo Ecotec engine. It's been sitting here for a month. Finally did the timing chain guides, balance shaft chain, and balance shaft guides on the engine. Just did it kind of here and there. It's taken me about a month to do it, a little bit at a time. Had a few issues along the way. Had a bolt that got sheared off for the timing chain guide, so that took a little bit of time to deal with that, to drill it out and retap it and sort that out. But anyways, it's all back together here. Airbox is on, everything has been hooked up. I just hooked up the battery. Still have the front tire off, and just the inner splash shield is not put on yet, but you know, the rest of it is ready to go. Let's see if it's gonna start. I did an oil change, drained out all the oil, let it sit for a few days while the oil was draining out. New oil, new filter. This is it. Hopefully there's enough battery power to start the engine. It's pretty scary. It's an automatic, so I'm in the passenger side. Oh, what